In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, staying competitive requires more than just innovation and hard work. It demands strategic guidance, continual learning, and a growth mindset. Millions Brand Incorporated understands this need and offers two transformative services designed to empower businesses: training and workshops and mentorship programs. These services are tailored to help entrepreneurs, startups, and established businesses navigate challenges, enhance their leadership capabilities, and achieve sustainable growth. Let's explore these services in more detail and how they can help unlock your business's full potential. Training and workshops. Equip your team for success. Training and workshops are the foundation for any business aiming to foster growth, efficiency, and innovation. Millions Brand Incorporated offers a comprehensive training and workshops package. This service is designed to provide organizations with the knowledge, skills, and practical tools necessary for long-term success. Whether you're a startup or an established business, these sessions are tailored to address the unique needs of your team, providing targeted strategies that drive results. Key areas of focus. The training and workshop service covers several core areas, essential for any business striving to scale. Leadership development. One of the primary goals of the training is to develop effective leaders within your organization. The training focuses on enhancing leadership skills that foster a culture of trust, accountability, and high performance. It provides insights into leading with vision, motivating teams, and driving success. Business strategy. A well-defined business strategy is crucial for long-term growth. The workshops delve into the nuances of creating actionable business plans, developing clear objectives, and evaluating opportunities for market expansion. With expert-led guidance, participants will learn how to craft strategies that not only align with their business goals, but also anticipate future challenges. Marketing. In an increasingly digital world, understanding the principles of marketing is essential. The training includes insights on digital marketing strategies, branding, social media, content marketing, and customer engagement. These workshops equip businesses with the tools needed to stand out in the competitive landscape. Financial management. A strong grasp of financial management is vital for any business's survival and growth. The workshops cover essential topics such as budgeting, forecasting, managing cash flow, and maximizing profitability. These skills are critical for entrepreneurs looking to make informed decisions and secure financial stability for their businesses. Hands-on training and actionable takeaways. One of the standout features of the training and workshop service is the hands-on approach. Unlike traditional seminars or one-off presentations, these workshops involve interactive sessions, real-world case studies, and practical exercises. This allows participants to apply what they've learned immediately, increasing the chances of retaining the knowledge. Additionally, the workshops focus on actionable takeaways, real strategies that can be implemented right away. From leadership tactics to financial management, every piece of information shared is designed to be immediately usable, making the training highly practical and relevant. Ongoing support. The business world is constantly changing, which is why continuous support is crucial. Millions Brand Incorporated offers ongoing support even after the completion of the training program. This ensures that businesses not only learn, but also evolve and adapt as new challenges arise. Whether it's refining a strategy or offering additional guidance, the team at Millions Brand Incorporated is committed to ensuring lasting impact. Mentorship. Personalized guidance for entrepreneurial success. While training provides the knowledge and skills necessary for growth, mentorship is what turns that knowledge into tangible results. At Millions Brand Incorporated, the Mentorship Program, priced at $1,999, is designed to offer entrepreneurs and business owners personalized, one-on-one guidance to navigate the complexities of entrepreneurship. This program is ideal for individuals looking to scale their business, refine their strategies, and overcome specific obstacles. What is mentorship? Mentorship is a powerful relationship between a business owner and a seasoned professional. Through the mentorship program, businesses gain access to experts who have been through the challenges of entrepreneurship and have the experience to guide others. Unlike training, which focuses on a broader group, mentorship provides tailored advice that addresses the unique needs of the individual business. The program is built on a foundation of trust, open communication, and actionable feedback. The mentor-mentee relationship is deeply collaborative, allowing entrepreneurs to draw from the mentor's experiences, gain insights into their business, and make better informed decisions. Key benefits of mentorship. Expert guidance. The Mentorship Program connects you with seasoned experts who have a wealth of experience in entrepreneurship. Whether you're struggling with strategic decisions, looking for advice on expanding your brand, or need guidance on overcoming operational hurdles, the mentor will provide valuable insights based on years of experience. Personalized support. One of the primary advantages of mentorship is its personalization. Every business faces unique challenges, and a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't always work. With the Mentorship Program, entrepreneurs can receive tailored advice based on their specific needs, business models, and goals. Accelerated growth. Starting or scaling a business can be overwhelming, and many entrepreneurs face the risk of burnout or making costly mistakes. A mentor helps you stay on track, offering advice on how to grow faster and smarter. With their help, entrepreneurs can avoid common pitfalls and make decisions that accelerate growth without compromising quality or long-term success. Building confidence. Entrepreneurship requires a great deal of confidence and resilience. With guidance from an experienced mentor, entrepreneurs are empowered to make tough decisions, adapt to changing circumstances, and lead their businesses toward success. The program builds self-assurance, helping entrepreneurs stay focused and persistent. Accountability. Mentorship is about accountability. Entrepreneurs often have big ideas and dreams, but it's easy to get distracted or lose momentum. A mentor helps keep you accountable, ensuring that you follow through on your plans and commitments. This support fosters a sense of responsibility, which is essential for long-term business success. How mentorship drives success. Mentorship accelerates decision-making by providing entrepreneurs with proven frameworks and strategies. A mentor doesn't just advise, they help you make better choices by offering insights, feedback, and challenging your assumptions. With their help, you gain a clearer perspective on how to move forward, avoid risks, and take advantage of opportunities. The Mentorship Program is also beneficial for those who need support in specific areas, whether it's scaling a business, improving financial management, or mastering marketing techniques. The tailored approach ensures that every aspect of your business is optimized for success. Why choose Millions Brand Incorporated? Millions Brand Incorporated offers a unique combination of training and mentorship designed to help businesses unlock their full potential. The training programs are led by experts who provide actionable insights and practical strategies, while the Mentorship Program offers personalized guidance to help entrepreneurs scale their businesses with confidence. Together, these services provide a comprehensive support system that helps businesses grow, innovate, and achieve measurable results. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing business, Millions Brand Incorporated offers the tools, knowledge, and support to help you succeed. Investing in your business's future. In conclusion, the training and workshops and mentorship services offered by Millions Brand Incorporated are invaluable resources for any entrepreneur or business looking to grow. These services provide the knowledge, skills, and personalized guidance needed to build a strong foundation for success. By investing in your team's development through training and receiving expert mentorship, you set your business on the path to achieving its full potential. Whether you're aiming for market dominance, operational efficiency, or financial stability, Millions Brand Incorporated can be the partner you need to drive growth, overcome challenges, and achieve measurable success. Empower your business today and start building the future you envision. With the right training, mentorship, and support, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the incredible services offered by Millions Brand Incorporated. Whether you're looking to enhance your team's skills or seek personalized mentorship to scale your business, these programs are designed to help you succeed. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit the subscribe button for more insights on how to unlock your business's full potential. Be sure to share this with others who could benefit, and feel free to leave a comment with any questions or thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more, and remember, your business growth starts today.